Seal Tech, brought to you by Steele Rubber Products, helping restore the car of your dreams.
You know, everybody knows that a vehicle needs weather stripping. It's what seals out the wind and the rain and the noise and makes a vehicle comfortable to drive. So today we're going to dig into some tricks about replacing weather stripping that will help you on your restoration. Now, I know you're excited about tearing your car apart, but before you remove any kind of weather stripping, you need to get out a catalog and make sure replacement pieces are available. Because if they're not, you probably don't want to take off the old weather stripping, because bad weather stripping is better than no weather stripping at all, and you will destroy it when you take it off. Now, for big pieces like windshields and T-tops and doors and things like that, you're probably all right, because there's companies like Steele Rubber out there that have thousands of part numbers, and they're going to have these big pieces for pretty much any import or domestic vehicle ever. But what you need to be careful of are these specialty pieces like this cowl rubber or this inner fender rubber. That may not be available on some vehicles. So make sure you're checking before you destroy. Now, what if you've looked and you can't find any weather stripping? Or you're working on something crazy like a snowcat or a military vehicle or a motorhome or something that you know is not going to be in a catalog. Are you out of luck? No, all you have to do is take a sample of your old piece of weather stripping where you have a nice side view like this, and then go to the Steele Universal catalog and just match it up. You see they have great diagrams. It's very easy to match up. In all the years I've been building vehicles and of all the crazy stuff I've rolled in, I've always been able to find something in there that I could make work. Now, you may have to dig, you may have to reconfigure glass a little bit, but there's something in there that you can make work. For example, all the weather stripping for that snowcat right here on the table. And that is going to keep this project moving forward.